All right, good morning. I'm going to read your test today, your assessment, if you would like to listen to it. So question number 1 says complete the chart. Letter A says list all the factors of the number. B says list 2 multiples of the number. And letter C, write P if the number is prime or C if the number is composite. And remember, you have to do that for both numbers, number 11 and number 24. It's like a multiplication chart, right? I have to do each thing for each one of those numbers. Now, if you're going to continue working, please pause it. If you need me to reread it, just back up the video. Number 2 says write a prime number in the space below and tell how you know it is prime. Number 3 says write a composite number in the space below and tell how you know it is composite. Number 4 says the equation 9 times 7 equals 63 can mean which of the following? The first one says 9 folders and 7 folders together are 63 folders. The next one says 9 erasers divided into 7 groups is 63 erasers. The third one says 63 crayons are 9 times the 7 crayons at the green table. The fourth one says the difference between 9 binders and 7 markers is 63. Question number 5 says, fill in the bubble beside the 2 equations that best represent this situation. So you need 2 equations. It says Jalen picked 20 flowers. That is 4 times as many as his little brother, Andre, picked. How many flowers did Andre pick? In the equations below, F stands for Andre's flowers. So the first equation, the second equation, third equation, or the fourth equation. You need to pick 2 that best represent that problem. And again, remember to pause the video, or you can back it up and replay to hear some questions reread. Number 6, write and solve a multiplication equation for each of these problems. So I have to write it, and I also have to solve it. Letter A, David is, goodness, I need to drink water, sorry. David is 12 years old. David's grandma is 5 times older than David. How old is David's grandma? Letter B, Raven bought a dress and a sweater. The dress cost 2 times as much as the sweater. The sweater cost $19. How much did the dress cost? And letter C, George bought a video game and a DVD. The video game cost $36. The DVD cost $9. How many times more than the DVD did the video game cost? Number 7, fill in the blanks to complete the ratio table. So the top part says number of students, the bottom part says number of folders. So make sure you're looking at those patterns you're seeing for that ratio table. So if I have 1 student, I have 8 folders. If I have 2 students, then how many folders do I have, and so on. Number 8 says find and write in the missing dimension on each of the rectangles below. So the little gray box, you just need to fill in the missing dimension. And then number 9, you need to complete all of the equations for letter A and letter B. And that is all for today.